Hi guys, magandang hapon. I recorded this video for a setup of Fortinet FortiGate firewall. So our next session is for managing administrator user accounts on FortiGate Fortinet firewall. So at first, we will go on the user interface, which is 192.168.1.9 on my part, but it can change depende dun sa inyong nais na setup ng inyong local. Okay? So, we will log in. And then, we will go on system. Then, we have admin profiles and administrators. So, at first, we will go first on administrators. So, sa ngayon, may makikita tayo na admin. Ito yun. Ang kanyang profile is super admin, local type, and two-factor authentication is disabled. So, yung icon ng ating user is nakatutok dun sa name na admin. So, it means yung profile nito is super admin. Ayan. It means, ito, ibig sabihin na reference, we have one, ang nakapangalan is admin. Okay? Ayan. Ito kasi pagka dinoble click natin kasi itong super admin, makikita natin dito is unhighlighted. So, hindi natin maiibo yan. Okay? So, kung makikita nyo, access control is naka-root siya o ang permission niya is selected into read and write. Alright? So, at first, we will first create the admin profiles pag gagawa tayo ng mga user accounts pagdating dito sa Fortinet firewall. So, from that, we will first click the create new. So let's say meron tayong isang IT. Hindi siya admin, okay? Let's say siya ay isang network IT network engineer. Ayan. So pwede natin lagyan ito ng comment na network engineer. Alright. So, as an administrator, ang sabi ko, sa Security Fabric, read lang siya. FortiView, read. Username, user advice, read. Then sa firewall, log report, network, and system, until the security profile, I will click the read and write kasi kailangan niyang i-change yun. Okay? Yung VPN medyo, since ako ay administrator, ako ang gagawa, so read lang siya. And the Wi-Fi and switch is read. Okay? Halimbawa, nakapag-decide ng isang administrator na, i-read and write na lang natin siya lahat. So, pwede naman yun, yung permission set all, gawin mo lang siyang read and write. So, lahat ng green is, we will change to read and write. But for now, on my case, let's say, nakapag-decide ako as administrator na i-read and write na or i-fully fledged na lamang si IT network engineer natin. Ayan. So, from that, we will click OK. So, nakagawa na tayo. Comments is network engineer. IT network engineer yung profile name. So, 0. Alright? So, we will go on to administrators and then create new. Administrator, syempre. Alright. So, username is IT network. Yung kanina kanina. So, type is local users. Make it local users. Huwag nang ibuhin ito pa. So, yan yung default. So, password is, let's say, sa ngayon, ito muna ang aking gagawin for demonstration. So, if you want to view your password, click mo lang to. Network_admin. Ulitin lang, confirm natin yung password. Then here, network_admin. So comments is network engineer. Ayan. Administrator profiles, syempre, siya ay super admin. So under siya ng IT network engineer, yung ginamit natin kanina. Okay? Ayan. So create natin. Okay. So, let's try. Okay, since siya ay makikita natin dito, IT network, profile is IT network engineer, yung ginawa natin kanina, local, disabled. So, change natin, try natin yung information na yan. So, log out, and then log in. Ano bang password? Nakalimutan ko agad. Anyways. Wait. Talagang makakalimutin lang ako. Kaya gagawa ko lang kanina. So, nakalimutan ko agad yung pinaka-password. So, systems, administrators. Click natin to. Then, yung password. Change password natin. Change password na lang. So, network underscore engine. And then, network 1, 2, 3, 4 na lang. Network 1, 2, 3, 4. Ayan. So, click natin. Okay natin to. And then, click natin to. So, IT network. Then, network 1, 2, 3, 4. So, yan. Nakalagin tayo. So, ayan. So, since ito ay root, kung makikita natin, pwede natin siyang i-edit. So, as you can see, punta tayo sa administrators. Yun. Yung ating icon is nakapasok na kay IT network. Network engineer, local, disabled. So, from profiles, kung makikita natin, ayan. IT network engineer, 1. Yung reference natin, IT network. Alright? So, let's say, tayo naman ay create. So, pasok ako kay admin muna. Testing natin. Okay, admin. So, pasok ako kay admin and then go to profiles. So, let's say, ako ay administrator and I will create the new IT underscore service. So, since na ito yung service, ilalagay natin dito sa comment si service and then may restriction siya. So, ang gagawin ko, na since ako ay administrator, yung access control niya is read lamang. All. So, yan. Highlighted as read all. And then, we will go on the administrators, create new, administrator ulit. Lagyan natin is IT service. Local users pa rin. Then, password is IT service. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then, IT service 1, 2, 3, 4. IT service 1, 2, 3, 4. Yan, okay. Administrator is yung kininig ko kanina, IT service. And then, comment is IT underscore service. Ayan. So, click natin. So, yun. So, may dito sa name is IT service. Yung profile is IT service also, and then yung type is local, disabled yung two-way factor text. And then, let's try na i-activate siya. Okay? Log out. And then, IT service, and then IT service, 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright. So, makikita mo, nakikita natin, naglagin siya. So, let's try sa network and interfaces. Kung makikita at mapapansin ninyo, let's say, itong 1. Yan. Okay. Kung makikita nyo guys, dito, pwede kayo maglagay ng type. Yan. Diba? Diba? And then, pwede kayo mag-change dito. Pero, hindi nyo siya masasave. Wala siyang icon na save. So, to be able na ma-change mo yung current settings, you have to save it. So, since ito return, for viewing lang talaga siya. Okay? Kahit paano gawin dito ng isang, nagawa nyo ng isang user account, hindi siya makakagawa ng changes doon sa sa kanyang account. Okay? Hindi niya mapapaanuhan yung other na changes yan. Okay? So yun, ito yun guys. So return lang siya. So punta tayo sa DNS. Wala siya makikitang save. Ayan. And then, sa packet capture or any other na pwede puntahan natin is talagang wala. Ayan. IT service. Return lang. Unhighlighted. So, wala kang magagawa dyan. Changes. Okay. So, from here, makikita natin naman yung ating local users, which is IT service. So, administrators, profiles, ito yon. IT service. Yan. 1. Okay. So, ayun. So, next is, kung makikita natin dito, let's out muna natin ha. Go to admin. Go to admin. Close natin to and then remind me later. Okay. So, let's try naman na mag-create ngayon kung saan ang changes is kakaiba naman. Alright? So, tingnan natin. So, let's say create tayo ng isang account. Lagyan natin dito ay auditor. So, yan. So, audit. And then, dito sa permissions, yung security fabric, read, none. Ibig sabihin na hindi siya lalabas dito sa side na to. Security fabric. We will try it. FortiView, out. User and device, huwag natin palilitawin. Sa firewall, since na kailangan niyang mag-audit, is kailangan natin ito i-click na read and write. Sa login report, sorry. So, sa firewall, i-customize natin yung policy pa kailangan. So, read na lamang. Address, read na lamang. Service, read na lamang. And schedules, read na lamang. Sa login reports, kailangan natin gawin itong read and write kasi siya mag-audit. Sa network, hindi na natin kailangan ipakita to. System, kailangan. Security profile, I think, hindi na kailangan. VPN is hindi na rin kailangan. So, yan ang magiging settings. So, tingnan natin yung changes na mangyayari once na nag-create tayo nito. Okay, auditor. So, ang gagawin ng auditor is yung log and report, kailangan niyang makuha. Okay? Alright. Okay. So, administrators is we will create audit. And then, audit 1, 2, 3, 4. Then, audit 1, 2, 3, 4. Profile, yung create natin kanina, which is auditor. And then, we click OK. So, yan. Kung makikita natin, we have audit, auditor, yung profile, local, and disable yung two-way, two-factor authentication. So, let's try na mag-login. Alright? So, audit, then audit 1, 2, 3, 4. So, may milliliter. So, makikita natin ilan na lang ang lumabas, di ba? So, yung mga pinag-uncheck natin, hindi natin makikita. So, yung network, yan, DNS na lang. Ayan na lang. So, unhighlighted, di ba? So, yung security fabric, wala lang. Hindi ka na makakano dyan. So, yung policy and objects, ito yon. Systems, ito yon. Log and report, ito yung ating create na meron read and write. So, yan. So, let's say, system events. Yan. So, makikita natin dyan. So, you can download. Ayun. Pwede mo siya i-download. Ayan, di ba? So, yung mga hindi na kailangan as a auditor, tinanggal natin, and then yung particular na kailangan lang talaga niya, so, ito naman yung ating in-enabled yung root para magkaroon siya ng downloads, changes, etc. Ayun. So, in this video, makikita natin yung kung paano mag-create tayo ng isang user accounts sa administrator type ng Fortinet FortiGate firewall. So, yun. So, tomorrow, I will create another video na more on configuration naman pagdating dun sa DHCP, DNS, etc. So, as of now, we will go and practice this one on your part, and then let's try for another one by tomorrow. Thank you, guys.